Hi, my name is Kimmy. I'm 39 years old, and this is my daughter,
Jasmine.
and she's 9.5. Today, we are starting a weight loss journey where we're going to be doing a low-carb diet for a couple of months, trying to get healthy, right? So, the goal for us is to get in a nice, healthy weight, to lose a lot of body fat because we're pretty overweight. Anyway, we're going to show you those videos later, but the way that we're going to do it is a low carb diet. We're going to do weekly updates showing you guys where we're at as far as what we're eating, our weight, if we lost any inches and all that kind of stuff. Let's see, Jasmine today, she weighed in at 104. Was it 104? No, 103. 103.4, and a couple of days ago she was 104. So she started 2 days ago. Yeah, I think it was 2 days ago, and she's been doing very well. She's lost 1.4 pounds, and together we're going to be doing, like I said, a low carb diet. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're going to be eating. We're going to do a lot of salads, which are carbs, but we're going to do healthier carbs. So we're going to do salads, lots of green vegetables and spinach and broccoli and all that kind of stuff. We're going to do fish, baked fish. We're going to do lean cuts of meat. So if we want bacon, we're going to do turkey bacon. If we want chicken, we're going to do chicken breast. So we're going to do lean cuts of meat, drinking only water, no aspartame or any types of drinks like diet sodas or anything like that. We don't drink sodas anyway unless it's a special occasion, so I don't buy that stuff. We don't drink Kool-Aid. We don't drink anything other than just water. That's usually what we keep in the house. Water, bottled water.
Apple juice
sometimes. Water. Sometimes, but apple juice is not good for you. So we will have some fruit. After the first 2 weeks, we do plan on increasing our fruit intake, but I told her, you know, for transitioning, we're not hardcore in the beginning, so we are going to introduce a little bit of fruit, more like berries. We're going to do strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and that's what we're going to be eating on a daily basis. She is going to have some fruit. She is going to have vegetables. So it's more of a healthier, low carb, low fat type of thing. I'm really excited for her and me. She starts school in a couple of months, and you're really excited, right, about packing your lunch? Tell me what you like to eat.
I like to eat shrimp salad and chicken tenders.
So instead of doing like fried chicken or fried chicken strips with the batter, we're gonna figure out healthier ways to do it.